Hello YouTube, Adventures in Metals here. What I got here is a power supply. Now, what does this have to do with metals? I will get to after I get this out of the box. Wow, that's the manual. Alright. The RTFM on this unit is pretty low amount of time. One of the negative criticisms on this particular unit is the alligator clips that come with it, but you could always upgrade those. This is a fairly cheap unit. I think I paid 30 bucks for it, but from what I understand, from the reviews I saw, it works pretty well. Even if the these knobs that control the voltage and current are a little finicky, but that doesn't bother me too much. So yeah, this plus this, we get copper crystals. So that's the next thing I'm going to start working on, and I will make videos about that, and you can watch the whole process. But for now, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.